Pero alam din nila na meron tayo.
Gawin ni Yorme, hindi makalusot sa tao talaga.
Sir, dito po kayo, sir.
Yes. Carmen.
Sige na.
Sama-sama na kayo.
Dali!
Sama-sama na, sama-sama na. Parang mabilis.
Sama-sama na lang.
Sama-sama na.
Sama-sama na po. Sama na po. Sama na po.
As conductor, he has brought choirs to Asia, Europe, and Canada for international concert tours and win choral competitions. Recently, he conducted the Disney concert in Manila at the Soler Theater together with the 46-piece Filipino Orchestra, together with 4 visiting artists from Disney, USA. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Dr. Lester Frederick G. Delgado.
Our second judge holds a Doctor of Musical Arts in Music Education degree from St. Paul University, Manila. She also graduated with a degree of Bachelor of Music in Music Education, cum laude, and Master of Arts in Choral Conducting at the University of Santo Tomas Conservatory of Music. She's currently teaching conducting, large ensemble class in music education at the University of Santo Tomas, Centro Escolar University, Conservatory of Music, and Senior Graduate School. She served as music teacher in Ateneo de Manila University High School Department from 2000 to 2018. She became the music coordinator for the 2-year transitional junior high school from 2013 to 2016. She also led along with her other accolades. She is also the founder and conductor of the Young Voices of the Philippines, which has garnered top prizes globally, including Carnegie Hall and 2024 World Children's Day with Pope Francis. She is a professor at the UST Conservatory of Music and president of the Treble Choir Association of the Philippines. Recognized with the Ani ng Dangan, Langgol and title Maria Teresa Visconde Roldan. And last but not the least, our third judge is an internationally published composer and arranger and graduated magna cum laude from the University of Santo Tomas Conservatory of Music, where he studied piano and choral conducting. He also holds a master's degree in music education and composition. His works are published by Paul Leonard, Pavani Music, Publishing USA, and Music C, some of which have been named Editor's Choice with G.W. Pepper. These works have been recorded, premiered, and performed in festivals and competitions, including the Pacific International Choral Festival and the Oregon Back Festival in USA, the LOSA Choral Competitions, and CGZ Choral Competitions, Cantumus International Choral Festival in Hungary, and recently at the International Kodali Symposium in Kuching, Malaysia. He has also served as chairman of the National Music Competitions for Young Artists in the Philippines and has adjudicated choral competitions in Asia and Europe. He gives composition and choral workshops around the Philippines, Asia, and the United States of America. And just last June, he led the Young Voices of the Philippines to Spain for the Montserrat's 1,000th anniversary. And they performed at iconic venues like Abadia de Montserrat, La Sagrada Familia, Monasterio de San Cugat, Capella del Esparac.
So much, Mr. Rito A. Villanova and Dr. Arnold C. Gaddis for an introduction of our Board of Dentists. Once again, let's give them a round of applause.
Alright, partner, and now we are fortunate to have a leader whose courage and compassion give us security.
Indeed, partners. So ladies and gentlemen, the City Mayor of Manila, Honorable Francisco Isko Moreno Tomayaso.
Opo po kayo. At magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Good morning. Huwag kayo masyadong makatulog Baka masyado kayong komportable. Welcome po kayo sa Maynila at malugod namin kayong tinatanggap, lalong-lalo na ang ating Regional Director and Concurrent Assistant Secretary for Operation, DepEd Central Office, Dr. Jocelyn D.R. Andaya, and OIC Assistant Regional Director, Dr. Joel Torrecampo, at lahat ng mga SDO sa Metro Manila, especially ang aming IT. Sesya na kayo, love your own. Ang ating SDO Lumeda at 10 ng mga kasamahan namin sa SDO Manila at sa lahat ng mga dumako dito na contestant. Nagpandiin pa. Gaganda ang mga costume nila. Talagang naggayak. But I'm happy to receive you in one of our goal, showcasing our goal with regard to building public school in a highly urbanized setting. This is an aspiration of mine when I was young. I am a product of this institution. Dito ako graduate. Ako full-blooded, talaga literal, product of public education system. Elementary, high school, gusto ko lang ipaalala sa inyo, baka nakalimutan nyo na. Ewan ko kung may graduate sa inyo ng Tulungan Center. Mas alam na daycare ngayon. But nung araw, bago ka pumasok sa primary, may early education system. Dito sa kabila, yung nakikita nyong Gat Andres Bonifacio Hospital is a former Tulungan Center. At alam ko, yung iba sa inyo dito, tumira din ng Nutriban noong araw. Mga batang claim, shout out naman yan. Lahat kami. Now, as a matter of sharing, why did we build like this? Because to some individuals would say, sobra-sobra naman yung pinagawa. Kanina, si Assistant Regional Director at saka si Assistant Secretary had told them, sabi ko, ma'am, in a highly urbanized setting like Metro Manila, as we speak right now here in Almario, having this event, may batang ipinanganganak. That is a guarantee. At the same time, habang may pinanganganak, wala namang ipinanganganak na lupa. So demand will always catch up because that boy or girl, 7 years from now, will occupy a space in our public institution. And this is a type of facility that we build that would address, continue to address and confront ahead of time to achieve the universally accepted student-teacher ratio in a classroom. Kasi kami nung araw, although dekada 80 yun, o shout out sa mga batang 80s dyan, kami nung araw, isang teacher, ang inabot ko, pinakamarami kami, 50. 50 kami sa isang classroom. Imagine mo 50 makukulit. Imagine mo nasiksikan kayo sa isang classroom. So, sabi ko, nung ako'y nabigyan ng pagkakataon ng mga tagalungsod ng Maynila na maging alkalde nung una kong termino, ang pinangarap ko na, sabi ko, kung ano ang natikman ng anak ko, dapat matikman ng anak nyo. Mapalad ang mga anak ko, pinagpala na sila eh. Hindi nila naranasan yung naranasan ko bilang salat sa buhay. Sa awa ng Diyos, nakaangat ako, minabuti ko silang papag-aralin sa pribadong paralan. At napakaganda ng eskwelahan nila. Xavier School eh. Pagka tinitingnan ko, talaga naman, Diyos ko, ang pasilidad, and so on and so forth. Sabi ko, this I will build. And here we are today, conducting an event, would like to showcase to the entire country, particularly in 200 plus highly urbanized city. This may be an inspiration to others to build this way, to build for the future. Gumagawa lang kami pag may problema na. Di ba? Typical na gawain. Pero hindi. We can welcome the middle class to send their kids to public school. Because we have better teachers. Now we have a better facility. Now we can compete. But we are for free. See the savings to every single family, the middle class family, can now avail of such facility in a public education system. So that's why I'm very happy to inform you na ito po'y apat. Sa totoo, na-delay lang ho yung isa. Nawala po ako ng 3 taon eh. Pasensya na kayo. Pero yung mga taga-magsaysay, matutuwa rin yan. They will have the same thing. So we have Manila Science High School, Rosario Almario Elementary School, and Albert Elementary School. You should visit Albert. To our fellow SDO in Metro Manila, baka makumbinsin nyo rin yung ibang mayor na mabisita. Because sayang eh. May proof of concept na eh. It happened already. I-duplicate. Ako naman, hindi ko to original na idea. Nangopya lang ako. Ang bawal mangopya sa loob ng silid-aralan. Pero sa paggugobyerno, kapag mabuti naman, at sa tingin mo'y bumabagay sa kultura, tradisyon, bilang isang Pilipino, ang isang programa, ay pwede naman nating kopyahin. Across the street of this building, you will see Binondominium. Just there, above the bridge. Nadaanan nyo kanina yung malamang papunta to dates. Except if you're coming from Nabotas o Malabon o Caloocan. You'll see that housing, that is the in-city vertical housing program. Yung mga nakatira doon, at continue building with all the chaos and intriga sa kanya. madalas maintriga si Prime Minister Lee. Pero, look at them now. Through one goal, dreams and aspiration, with the effort of his fellow public servant. Tingnan nyo ang Singapore ngayon, kung nasaan sila. They are worse than Tondo 60 years ago. Worse. Guarantee you, you can research it. But through this initiative of King, of course, that's the only thing that we have right now, is hope. And we must continue to hope. We must continue to believe. We have to anchor on it. Kailangan, alam natin, masasakit ang damdamin ninyo ngayon. Nag-aalimpuyo ang inyong mga puso, isipan, sa nangyayari sa sitwasyon na para bang wala na talagang pagbabago. O pare-pareho na lang sila. Alam ko, pare-pareho tayo nararamdaman. But, sabi nga, after the rain, there is a rainbow. Sisikat din ang araw sa atin. May ipanganganak din na maaari produkto ninyo sa inyong silid-aralan that someday will be a better leader, better businessman, better professionals. So sa mga guro na naparito, hold on to it. Huwag na kayong malito sa noise or ingay. We focus. We in Manila, we are focused. No matter how hard it is emotionally with regard to the situation, we don't want to entertain noise. We focus on delivery of what is expected from us as leader. And I enjoin all my fellow Manilans, part of the city government, and our contingency in the national government. We must come together. Because if not all of you, maybe some or most of you have a story to tell, have history, or may relasyon sa lungsod ng Maynila. Meron kayong karanasan sa lungsod ng Maynila. Wag naman na singilin ko kayo ng kaunti. Kung po pwede, lingunin nyo kaming kaunti sa Maynila because we, Manilans, we cannot just do it alone. I cannot just do it alone. We include you and encourage you. We have to come together to showcase the capital of the country, wherein during those times, in our younger years, our forefathers look at this city as the land and city of opportunity. That's why they were all here. They thought that ito ang makapagtataguyod sa buhay nila. And then we must light that fire again and give this city to every Manileños and every Filipinos who will come in and out of the city, na ito ay makapagbibigay sa kanila ng magandang pag-asa o pagkakataon. Again, to all of you here, thank you very much for choosing the City of Manila. Ito ang programa ninyo. Natutuwa kami sapagkat si Lumeda, si Superintendent, ako at ang aming school board ay muli naming ibinalik ang ganitong uri, kahalintulad na gawain sa loob ng paralan. On December 3, we will have our championship for oratory and other literacy competition. Kasi nung bata kami, usong-uso ang orador, ang declamation. Nung araw, pinatatayo kami dyan ng teacher namin. Pati lahat ng pihit ng katawan, inaabot mo. Sa kahihiyan, sa takot, sa nervyos. But I think, instead of all other technologies, yes, we agree with technologies, but we must continue to believe to really find talents with our students. Gusto namin kompetensyahin kayo, Metro Manila, balang araw. Magkita-kita tayo sa finals. Kasi gusto namin makita ng productive competition, tsaka skills and talents. That's why we wanted to build a facility like this in a public education to showcase and continue to be reminded who we are as Filipino. Ipaalala sa mga batang ito ang kultura at tradisyon. At at the same time, ipakita ang galing ng mga estudyante ng pampublikong paralan. Biriin ninyo, nakapag-produce kayo ng mayor. Special child ba ako? Hindi, marami pa yan. Because what happened to me can happen to any John, Does, and Mary. It can. Because yung imposible, naging posible. So, kaya lagi kong pinapaalala sa mga guro. May matatalo. Ganun lang naman yun. Sige, nakakita ko kasi nagpandiin Napagastos yung mga contestant ninyo. Nakakaya naman. Baka sinabi, baka sabihin, walang binesa ang mga batang Maynila. Hindi, as a matter of token of appreciation, we appreciate you coming here with all honesty. Mas maganda ang mga pasilidad ninyo na nauna na sa inyong kanya-kanyang distrito or district, no? But I'm happy that you conduct it here. Dito kayo nag-conduct ng ganitong event. So, dahil 15, ano? Sige, token na lang namin. Yung 15, tigpoposam sila. Kahit papaano naman, ano lang, konting provecho ba? Para mamaya, yung team, may panchicha sila, ano lang, pambanding. Kaya lagi kayong dumako sa Maynila, masarap kaming kabanding. Muli, welcome kayo sa lungsod ng Maynila. Maraming salamat po. Pagpalain naman kayo ng buong may kapal. Manila!